What up, world? Your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, and today we're trying CannaAid. Okay, so what we're doing is breaking it out the packaging, and let me show you what we got going on. So this is CannaAid. It's THCO Delta 8. This is a sativa vape cart. Okay, so get familiar with it. I don't have my reading glasses on, but your cart comes like this. It has a cap on the end, but I took the cap off. You will need a pin of some sort. Okay, if you don't know anything about them, click it 5 times, cuts it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It cuts on. Any of those type of pins. Your normal pin vape goes on the outside threads. This goes on the inside threads. First difference right there. So once you get it on there, like that. So this is Strawberry Cough by, again, CannaAid. All right. Trying to see if it has any other product information on it. It expires 6/2023. And they say it's supposed to get you up there. So let's see. Let's try it. Bruh. The taste alone. Yeah, this the one right here. Strawberry Cough. Get off your Aesop sop. That's popcorn language. You heard what I said. Get off your Aesop sop and go get this. So we gotta disrupt the algorithms. Go around them. But yeah, that Strawberry Cough. I like the taste. So it's 1 ml or 1 gram. I wish it was like in the 2 gram. It's definitely worth it. But I'm not supposed to feel the effects right away. But with the THCO, you kind of do. No bad aftertaste. If you ever had a strawberry Philly, they still sell them, but I was going to say back in the day, this replaces the strawberry Philly or the Swisher strawberry. Now I do feel a tingle. You know, like it's probably going to hit me later on. But as far as the taste, it also reminds you of a strawberry icy. You know what I mean? With the red, white, and blue cup. And the little polar bear, the little skinny polar bear with the sweater. And you can tell it's been lab tested and stuff because it's got batch numbers and stuff like that on it. So your batch number would be totally different from mine. But when I first started trying the Delta 8, I was very skeptical. I will give you some pointers. When you first start, you're going to cough a lot. Okay? A lot. Because it's your body has to get used to it. But once your body gets used to how it's being delivered to you, that part of it goes away. But know this, you need to cough to feel it when you first start out. The more you cough, the more it's going on. You know, and I've never had like a bad trip or nothing like that. Some people say they do. I don't know what's wrong with them. Maybe they have never smoked in their life and it's the first thing that they tried. I can't say that I recommend that, but if you're a seasoned smoker or whatever of herb or the flower version, then the transition won't be as bad. I don't think. But for a person who's never tried it, you wouldn't really know what to expect. And I mean, it's there. Plus, remember, it's Delta 8. It's hemp derived. It's not like smoking the flower. So you're not taking a chance if that's what you're thinking. You're not taking a chance on your life or nothing like that. It's not gonna change your life. I'm addicted. No. Man, this shit smells so good. Somebody would think that you're smoking a regular vape. You know what I mean? It literally smells like some really really good strawberries or a strawberry scandal. The taste, though. The taste really don't make no sense at all. Now, I'm not on my most powerful vape at the same time either, so that's another thing. How this works is this is distillate, and when it heats it up, it moves because normally your juice in there does not move. There may be one little bubble. It may take it a while for that bubble to get to moving. But you see it? That one little bubble down at the bottom. It looks like a crack, but that's a little bubble. And then you can see it when it goes back up. See how slow it moves? But overall test, the taste is amazing. Amazing.
12 seconds later.
There it is. There it is. Ooh. There it is. CannaAid. The strawberry cough, y'all did that. I am very impressed by this. And I can really feel it with that cough. That thing,
12 seconds later.
you take it. It'll take it out. Yeah, it'll take it out through there. That was the one right there, though. So that was the one right there. You need to take you some deep draws. Take a deep inhale, not draws like underwater. But take you a good inhale. Okay? Damn near like I felt my voice change. But it's crazy. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. They learn, love, and grow. One.